In this video, you will learn what Reels are on Facebook. You will learn about the Facebook Reels, different ways you can earn money on Facebook Reels, and how you can stand out and let your Reels get discovered by more people. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Reels are short videos that expand your audience and entertain your fans. Reels are fun and inspiring short videos consisting of music, audio, text overlays, AR effects, etc. You can now create them on Facebook app on your mobile device. Reels are shared directly to your fans in their core news feeds and to new audience in a dedicated Reels section in news feed. This will give people who are new to you the opportunity to discover and enjoy your content. You can find them in groups, and when viewing a reel on Facebook, you can easily follow the creator directly from the video. You can also like and comment on it as well as share it with your friends. About Facebook Reels now. Since watching videos is half of the time spent on Facebook and Reels is Meta's fastest growing content format, the company is now focused on making Reels the best way for creators to get discovered, connect with their audience, and earn money. It is fun and easy for people to find and share relevant and entertaining content. Meta, formerly Facebook, has launched Facebook Reels globally, thereby paving new ways for creators to make money on Facebook. Facebook Reels has been launched in more than 150 countries for creators around the world to grow their business. To help creators earn money from Facebook Reels, expand tests of overlay ads, starting with banner and sticker ads. The new Facebook Reels features include remix, sharing to Facebook stories, etc. Here are a few tips to help you stand out and let your Reels get discovered by more people. The first is to make your Reels relatable, something people can relate with. It could be latest trend, it could be a song, a challenge. In short, to recreate this concept in your own way. The next one is to engage your audience. Show off skills that make you unique. It should be entertaining. You can add cool effects, music, and text. Next is to make your Reels tell a story from beginning to the end. You can add a surprise or a twist to intrigue your viewers. The last is to inspire others. Encourage them to create their own, maybe with a challenge. Having said what Reels are, what Facebook Reels are about, and the ways you can stand out to get discovered by other people with your Facebook Reels, let's get to how you can make money with Facebook Reels. Reels Play bonus program, part of the Meta $1 billion creator investment, pays eligible creators up to $35,000 a month based on the views of their qualifying Reels. Reels Play will pay a bonus to eligible Facebook creators whose Reels gets at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. Reels from creators in the invite-only program must meet Meta's content monetization policies, and content must be owned by the creator in order to count towards the bonus. Other ways you can earn money are through in-stream ads. With this, you earn money by inserting short ads into your qualifying videos. There are 3 types of placements that can be inserted: pre-roll, mid-roll, and image ads. For this, there are requirements. I'll be showing you some of these requirements in this video. The next one is through in-stream ads for live. With this, you keep your content front and center with ads that don't compromise the experience. It is available to pages in some countries. Again, there are some requirements for this. The next one is through brand collabs manager. You build your business and earn money from brand deals. Again, there are some requirements for this. I'll be showing you all of these requirements shortly. The next one is through subscriptions. You can earn money from those who love your work, most with a monthly subscription. You can also earn money through stars by connecting with fans during your live videos. For every star received from a fan, you earn 1 cent from Meta. The next is through paid online events. You build your virtual stage and get paid. You give fans access to special live video experiences. The last but not the least way you can earn money on Facebook Reels, of course, is through the monetization. You have to check for eligibility and apply. Now, let me show you some of the requirements on how you can earn money with Facebook Reels. For elaboration on the monetization tools, I'll be using a PC. We'll head to Facebook Creator Studio. This is Facebook Creator Studio. Let me now head to my Facebook page and show you some of these requirements about monetization tools I was talking about earlier. Some of the ways you can make money. You will have to be eligible. While some is on invite only. Facebook will have to invite you before you can start using these tools. Some of them are on invite only, while some you have to meet up with the requirements. Okay, so this is JannyCee Technologies. This is the monetization payout settings. I will show you the in-stream ads, the brand collabs manager, subscriptions, stars, and paid online events. Some of these are on invite only, while for some, you will have to meet up with the requirements. This is the page eligibility. You will need eligibility criteria to use monetization tools. This is what I was talking about earlier. And some tools might have additional requirements. Okay, you haven't met the criteria to apply for monetization to access. This is for in-stream ads for on-demand. You can see beside it that the criteria is not met. Fan subscription is on invite only. Facebook will have to invite you before you can start using this monetization tool. Stars are on invite only too. This is instant articles, paid online events are on invite only. You can see all of that. For some of these monetization tools, Facebook will have to invite you before you can have access to them, while some you have to meet with the requirements. Some require that you have about 10,000 followers. The requirements are just different from one monetization tool to another. You can see this. This is the followers. This is eligible minutes viewed. You have to meet some eligible minutes. You have to have some active videos and followers for you to meet with the requirements. Once you meet up with the requirements, the monetization tool will be accessible. This is fan subscription. It has some requirements as well. Okay, you can log in and view some of these requirements. If you've not met with any of them, you can work towards that. This is in-stream ads for on-demand. This is for brand collabs manager. You have to meet up with the eligibility. This is subscriptions, and this is for stars. Of course, I've said all of this earlier. They all have requirements. Either you meet the eligibility requirements or Facebook will have to invite you. Okay, this is instant articles. There is eligibility too. This is for in-stream ads for live. This is the eligibility for that. 10,000 followers and all of that. This is for JannyCee TV. You haven't met the requirement for monetization tools. So guys, these are some of the ways you can earn money through Facebook Reels. Through in-stream ads for live, brand collabs manager, through subscriptions, stars, paid online events, and through the monetization tools application. You will have to check for eligibility and apply. All of these have some requirements. You will have to meet up with the requirements before these tools will be accessible. While some, Facebook will have to invite you for these tools to be accessible. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.